Hello friends, it's Nails by Ray and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite nail channel. Today I have some goodies from Maniology, so let's get right into this unboxing. So Maniology was kind enough to reach out and send me their products, and most notably their nail stamping starter kit. I was able to select a few colors from their nail polishes and which stamping plates I wanted to work with. So that's what I'm going to be showing you. This is one of the nail stamping plates that they gave me, and I chose the little hearts. There's a variety of different hearts related designs on this one, so I got really excited when I got my hands on it because I love hearts. I love drawing hearts, but sometimes it can be a bit tedious, and nail stamping just makes it easier. This tool is the Maniology Pineapple Cotton Grabber, and you can use this to grab cotton to clean up your nails. I also have a code with Maniology. The link will be in my description below, but it is for 10% off anything on your order. Just have to use the code Nails by Ray. So I also got a 3-piece Duochrome stamping polish set. It's just a set of 3 different stamping polish colors, and I will be swatching these after I unbox all the products, but these colors are super pretty. They have like this iridescent chrome vibe to it, which is why I chose it. And this is the Maniology Sticky Base Coat. This is the base coat that you'd put on your nails before stamping it on so that the stamping polish can adhere. This is one of their nail stamping starter kits. The one I chose was called the Hearts and Stars. As you can see, it's a bunch of hearts and stars. And in this kit, it comes with a manual just to show you how to do it. This kit includes 1 stamping plate. There's a smudge-free top coat. There's also the Cherry Bomb red stamping polish color, a clear rectangular ice cube stamper, and the Maniology mini scraper card. These are what all the colors look like after I swatched them. I only did 1 coat and they're so shimmery. So now I'm going to get into my nail design using these stamping plates. Now for the design I had in mind, I wanted to go in with my pigment powders and use the stamper to apply it. And I have my stamper here. I did use it quite a bit beforehand because I had to learn how to use it. It's definitely a bit of a learning curve and I accidentally poked a hole in it. But it's fine because it's still usable. I'm just adding my 3 colors of pigment powders on the stamper here. So I have yellow that I just added. I'm adding in some orange and then I go in with pink. And I'm just going to stamp this onto my nail. Now here I have my nail. I did use gel, and I can use gel and nail stamping products together. It's just a little bit of a trick to it. I have freshly cured base coat and I just briefly stamped the color onto it, and then I added a bit more to it just to give it some more color. And afterwards I'm going to go over with some base coat to secure that pigment in there. I'm using gel base coat to secure the color of the pigment, and because I just added it, it's going to get on the brush. So each time I swipe, I'm going to clean the brush off, and then I'll dip it back in the bottle to get more base coat until it's fully coated. Now in order for me to use nail stamping polish over gel, I need to wipe off the tacky layer of this freshly cured base gel, which I'm doing with some 91% isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free wipe. And after I do that, I'm going to carefully buff the nail so that there is absolutely no shine. Because when I go in with my sticky base coat and stamp the nail polish, I do not want the two polishes, the gel and the nail polish, to conflict with one another. Now this part is really important. You need to use the sticky base coat over your nail so that the nail stamping polish can adhere. And I think this was the part that I didn't quite do properly because I was applying it too slowly and it was drying before I could finish applying, and then some areas of the nail weren't fully dry yet. So I had to keep restarting over and over, and so then I used a fan to dry it before I stamped my nail design on top. Now I'm getting ready to stamp the design on. I'm using the blue color over the design I wanted, which is the stars and the crescent moon. And all you have to do is add the stamping polish onto the plate and quickly swipe using the square that they give you. And when you swipe, you should swipe at around like a 45-degree angle and do it really quickly so it cleans it off. All you have to do is quickly press the stamping sponge onto the design and it should all appear on your stamp. And then you do the same thing, just roll it over onto the nail with freshly applied base coat, and then you are set. After I let the stamping polish dry for a bit, I'm going to go in with my smudge-free top coat, and it comes in this little duo set with a red gel polish. Oh, sorry, not gel polish. Nail polish, stamping nail polish. So I'm going to be using the clear one because that's the top coat, and applying that evenly to the nail. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I hope you guys liked how this little design came out. I hope to do more full sets designs using Maniology stamping products. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so that you never miss any uploads from my channel. And I will see you in the next video.